Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to create a recovery partition, but the special thing is that it will boot into WinPE. First, you need to prepare the Hiren's BootCD ISO file, and prepare a hard drive partition large enough to store that WinPE. As you can see here, I only have one hard drive, and my current recovery partition is about 700 megabytes. My task now is to shrink some space from drive C to expand this partition to just over 2 gigabytes, which should be enough. I will shrink it by about 1,500 megabytes. So we now have a new unallocated space area. Next, we need to merge it in. Open CMD as administrator. Type Diskpart. List disk. I only have one hard drive, so I will select disk 0. List partition. You can see that my recovery partition is partition 4, and its type is recovery. Select partition 4. Delete partition, override. So we have successfully deleted the old recovery partition. Now that we have a larger unallocated space, we just need to create a partition on it. Create partition primary. Format it as NTFS and assign the label recovery. Now you need to set the attributes so the operating system recognizes it as a recovery drive. I will leave the command in the description and comment section. So I have finished creating a new recovery partition. You can see that the new partition is now larger than before. Exit Diskpart. Right-click on the WinPE ISO file and select Mount. Sources folder. Copy the boot.wim file out. Rename it to winre.wim. After that, you need to ensure that winre has been disabled. Check it using the reagent command. So my winre is currently disabled. Copy the file to drive C. Windows. System 32. Recovery. Paste the file here. Now, open CMD and re-enable winre. So I have successfully enabled winre. Now I can hold Shift and click Restart to boot into winre and check it out. Excellent. Instead of booting into the standard winre screen with command prompt and other troubleshooting tools, I have booted straight into WinPE. Once inside, computer rescue and troubleshooting tasks will be much easier to handle. You can use the built-in tools in WinPE as usual, or use the portable software available on your hard drive. Now I will restart the computer to see if it boots into Windows. So I have successfully booted into Windows. From now on, whenever I want to access the Windows recovery environment, I will be redirected to the WinPE version, which offers more features and makes it much easier to troubleshoot the computer. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.